Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3.
We got new mics. We'll see if these work.
Hey, this is Bob Vancaskeys reporting from the Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport.
Hello, guys. Welcome to our channel. I'm Hillary.
And I'm Bob.
You don't have to put the mic up to your mouth. Yeah, we're in the Phoenix Airport terminal.
From Phoenix, we are headed to Reno, Nevada, where we're going to pick up a rental car and then drive to Tahoe, where we are going to go to the Adventure Van Expo.
Yes, and we have an amazing opportunity to partner up with Noovo Vans once again.
Hooray!
Yay! And so that's where we are going. We are going to go hang out with the whole team. Noovo team. Like, we are so stoked to meet everybody. You would have seen last week us tour the Noovo Pop, the Noovo LITE, and the Noovo Plus.
Correct. All of their entire lineup.
So we're going to the Van Adventure Expo, like Bob said. And today's video, we're going to show you that whole expo. We're super stoked. We're partnering with Noovo. We're going to see all their vans and see all the other vendors that are there. Mm-hmm.
And hopefully get some great ideas for our van with Mr. Lemon, because, there's a couple of additional upgrades that I would really like to do.
Yeah.
And being able to share that with you guys would be super cool.
Yeah. So let's go. Let's go.
All right, we're going to try out the Noovo LITE. I love the new ProMaster chassis, console, upgraded. I mean, it just makes ours look so old.
Yeah, this is nice. So we're in the Noovo LITE.
It handles very well.
Yeah, it does. Okay, so we currently are dropping the vans off with the Noovo team. And then once it's all set up for the Adventure Van Expo for tomorrow, we're gonna walk with them up to the house that they rented. They rented this humongous house for the Noovo team and then anybody else that they are, having out. There's a lot of Noovo owners coming out and us and stuff like that. And so it's gonna be a fun time this weekend. Good morning. Okay. Coffee. 49 degrees. Beautiful scenery. I can hear the birds. Like, does it get any better than this? I don't think so. Other than being in a house with really, really great people. And then getting to meet everybody today at the Adventure Van Expo. It's gonna be a good day. We haven't picked up the camera as much because we're kind of just like living it. It has been fun. They're just such a great group of people. If you're wondering where Bob is, he's still in bed. He slept in a little bit. We normally rise at 5 a.m. on the dot, just out of habit. And Bob slept till 6 today, guys. So I got up and made him coffee. We are at the Adventure Van Expo here in Lake Tahoe. We have been walking around, meeting you guys. It's been super fun.
Yeah, the exhibits here are amazing. There's lots of great vendors, lots of cool tech, just lots of really fun things to look at and dream about.
Yeah, and here's the deal. We're here with Noovo today, and they have some great vans. You guys would have already seen the full tours on all three of them. They're excellent. We're also going to try and get into other things here, you know, vans, or there was one, what's it called? Aeon?
Avon or something
Avon.
like that.
Anyways, there's other things that we're gonna try and go and get little quick tours for you. But yeah, we're just gonna take you along today and enjoy the ride. All right, we have to take a little breather. This show is amazing, and we have met so many of you guys. It's been freaking fantastic, actually.
It's been a lot of fun, like hearing, you know, talking with you guys and hearing how you found the channel, and
yeah,
it's been a lot of fun.
Stories. Love it, love it, love it. If you were at the show and you're watching this, leave us a comment down below and say hi. We'd love to say hi back. But yeah, we're just taking a little breather. We're at something called the Dubliner.
Yep.
Irish pub, getting some food. And then we're gonna go back and hang out with more of you. It's been a pretty darn fun event. So if you want to come to an event like this and it's like, oh man, I missed this event, I think the next one is in Big Bear.
Oh, that's right.
Noovo will be at Big Bear.
Yep.
And so start planning ahead for that one. I think it's mid-October. So just in case you're like, oh, how do I go to the next one? So
yeah,
that is more than likely going to be an awesome one because it's an awesome location. But yeah, so we're going to have some good lunch right now. Okay, I don't know how the lighting is. We're kind of doing a terrible job showing you what's going on. We just like hung out with probably like 10, 15 more of you guys and got to know more people. But the problem is Bob and I are only 2 people, so we can't film and do that. That's okay.
It's been tough, but we've definitely enjoyed the show and enjoyed meeting all of you guys and chatting with you today. It's been a ton of fun.
Yeah, okay, so what's on our list next is we want to go tour ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream. We're going to start with ice cream. That's why I got our spoons.
Yeah, and then we want to go tour. Let's surprise them.
Yeah, there's 2 vans for sure that we want to go take a look at.
Want to go take a look at. We're going to ask if we can tour it. So fingers crossed. We'll meet you there.
Very cool.
You like it?
Love the design.
I could tour that one, but it's kind of cool. I like the colors. I like the brightness.
The graphics on the side.
Yeah, we're nice.
Really nice. So we were at the Wolf Mountain van display, and they had this really, really nice van that they had just built out. It's a brand new model. And they had this kind of graphic in the walnut of the mountains and kind of the grain all matched. They just did a really, really cool job of putting all that together, and the craftsmanship in that van was on point. It was really sharp. All right, we have a special treat for you guys. In one of our previous videos, you guys mentioned the AeonRV, and I looked it up online. I was able to see it, watched all the videos on it, but I've never seen one in person until today. And so we are actually standing in it and want to give you a quick tour. Want to be really respectful of everybody else that wants to also come and look at this. So it'll be really quick, but we'll put all the details in there. So here in the back, you have your bed. It looks to be about a queen size bed. You do have this air conditioner on it, and below this there is a big storage garage area that you can access from the outside. But you do have all this internal storage. I mean, everything is just very, very well built.
Look at that!
Look at that. Just
pantry.
Very nice quality. And this rig is set for off-road. I mean, it is crazy. So you've got your oven up, or your microwave oven up here. Just lots of storage. It does have an induction cooktop. You've got this nice countertop with your sink in the galley on the passenger side. And then over here on the driver's side, you have basically seating for two with a table. You've got all of these nice, the double paned acrylic windows with, you know, blackout shades, bug screens, just very, very user friendly. And I don't know the exact specs on it, but the power system on this thing is crazy. If I recall, it is a 24 volt system. I can't
We'll
remember.
fact check.
We'll fact check that and share it. You do have a max air fan up on the top, but let's...
Oh, but you know what we didn't talk about? Was this in the bedroom.
Oh, a
Guys,
skylight.
They have a skylight in the bedroom and a window and storage over here. Like, come on. And it's so, okay. It is so nice and cool in there. Like, you literally can feel the difference when you're in here. You have the window open. It's gorgeous, cool, love it.
So we'll start on the driver's side. So you've got your freezer refrigerator combo.
Nice size.
Nicely stocked.
Yeah.
You
but
do
one of the cool parts to this.
Yeah, this is a door which you have access to the cab here, and it's super well insulated, so whether it's hot or cold up front.
Because right now it's probably warm up there.
Yes, very.
And then it's still really cool back here.
Yes. And then for the most innovative thing that we have seen all day long is the door in and out. You actually come through the bathroom. And my first thought was, really, why would you want to do that? But what's nice about that is if it's cold or muddy, if you got winter clothes, ski gear, that kind of stuff, you actually come into the bathroom. You can kind of keep the water here, and then you come inside. And then this can be a place for everything to dry as well. So as you can see, plenty of room with height to take a shower. You've got your cassette toilet with your sink, some storage back there.
Pull that sink down. I haven't seen, wow.
So,
and then you got your mirror.
Very, very user-friendly with everything that you need. And then, of course, you have your door to access the outside.
Yeah.
So very innovative, well thought out design.
We are on the outside of the Aeon. Aeon. Okay. And this is Shelby.
Hi.
And they actually,
Anthony's over there. But
yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So they actually are going to be in this for the next 6 months.
Yep.
They have a YouTube channel. Tell them whatever this is going to be.
So my platform is, my name's Shelby. I go by Shelbs. So Shelbs Says. And so we'll be traveling in this for 6 months. We love to ski. We love to hike. So we're going to be doing all of the off-road adventures and excursions in this thing for the next 6 months. And
Is there anything that we wouldn't know, Bob, that we would want to know, like specs wise?
I mean, it's just such a unique vehicle.
You guys know we classify B pluses by no bunk over the cab and no slide outs. So I'm going to say this is B plus, but it may be a C. Don't fact check us and let us know, because some of you actually know a lot about this. So let us know. This is the first time we've ever seen it in person. So we'll see.
so, I mean, we have 800 watts of solar on this thing. And we also have an alternator in the van. So you pretty much will never run out of power, and if you do, you just need to go on a little drive. If you're running your van, like, it'll be charged up within an hour, which is pretty great. We have 6 batteries in here, but you can also do 8 or 10, which 10 is like insane. You'll never run out of power with that many batteries, but we have 6 in here, and it does great. Like, we've been running the AC all day with the doors open.
Yeah.
So, like,
And it still feels
people
so
everything.
nice in there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, so I feel like the power in that thing is great. The insulation is great if you like to go in hot or cold climates, you're gonna stay comfortable in it. The garage is insane. If you haven't, I don't know if you showed them the garage yet, but you can fit a few bikes in there. You can fit your skis. You could fit a person in there.
okay, now how hard are these to get? Is there a big waiting period?
There's about like a 14 to 16 month wait.
Yeah.
But they're just expanding their warehouse, and it's going to be like double the size. So they're going to be, expanding that production and making it a much shorter window here, like as of October 1st.
Awesome. Well, thanks for letting us
Yeah.
quick tour it.
Yeah, thank you.
We've tried to actually come and do this all day today. Every time we walked by, there was lots of people here. So
busy
finally
all day.
we were like, okay, there's no one there. We're not going to bother them. Can we do this really quick? So thank you.
No, thank you.
I appreciate
Thanks for
it.
stopping by.
All right, follow them, guys. All right, after hours, say hi to Neil and Britt. They have a YouTube channel. Quality people, go follow them. We've gotten to know them this weekend. Awesome. Go follow their journey. Oh wait, they actually have a Noovo.
Yes,
So
we do.
maybe you can follow people that actually have a Noovo. Day 3. It's been a whirlwind weekend. Oh my gosh. It's been amazing. But we are about to head to the airport and say bye to the team. Bob's in there talking to him right now.
I am going to miss this nice, cool weather, the tall pine trees, these mountain views.
And the team.
And absolutely, this event was amazing.
Mhm.
The team was phenomenal. We just had such a blast connecting with them, learning their backstory,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
hearing about all their future plans. I'm super excited to see
Yeah.
where they go in 2025.
Yeah. And then meeting everybody we got to meet yesterday.
Yeah.
Thank you for showing up. Thank you for, coming to say hi. We loved getting to know you and hear all your stories and all your adventures. Like, that is just icing on the cake.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we didn't do a great job recording.
Not at all.
Not at all. Hopefully the behind the scenes we did get was adequate. And hopefully that cool tour of the Aeon rig was amazing. And yeah, let us know what you thought of it.
Yeah.
So that's it
All right.
though.
All right.
All right, until next time.
Until next time. Bye, guys.
Bye guys.